It's okay to record our conversation.
Yes, it is okay.
What is your name and nickname?
My name is Jorlyn Tuan and my nickname is Jin Jin.
When did you first realize you are LGBTQ?
When I was at 8 years old, yes.
When did you begin telling others?
At my teenage age, 16, I guess.
What were your early coming out experience like?
My experience is having fear with takot ako baka hindi ako matanggap ng family and friends ko.
How did you come out?
Sa pamamagitan ng matiwasay na pag-uusap sa aking family at pamilya sa kung ano ako at kung ano yung nararamdaman.
What did your parents say?
Nung una, hindi nila tanggap na LGBTQ ako, pero nung tumagal na, tinanggap na rin nila ako.
Are you happy on your identity and why?
Yes, I am happy because it is my happiness, but that is according to me. But according to the Bible, that is not good.
Do you want to have your own family and what?
Yes, of course. Kasi darating yung panahon na sila lang yung meron ako, except sa pamilya ko. Ngayon.
If given a chance, do you want to change your sex and why?
Yes, because according to the Bible, there's only two sex or gender, and it is female and male.
Are you planning any surgeries?
No.
You have had significant relations in the past, including marriage. If so, how did they affect your life now? What have you learned from this relationship?
No, I don't have any relationship.
Do you have date currently? And if so, how would you describe your dating life?
No. I don't date any.
Do you have expect to end up with a long-term partner one day?
Yes.
What is your dream?
My dream is to be treated like a normal person, like others, and to be accepted by my family and friends 100%.
That's all. Thank you.
As an interviewer of the member of the LGBTQ community, I have learned that as individuals, we do not have any right to judge them because there is always a story behind who they are or what they are going through. Even they themselves may not fully understand what is happening in their lives as LGBTQ individual. I believe that being LGBTQ is not a choice but a set of feelings that develop with them. I would like to encourage everyone to continue to show respect, treat all LGBTQ members well as they do not cause harm to us.